Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down prerequisites so you can act fast. First, choose a clear niche and price band so buyers understand you. Once done, register the business and prepare Form 1099 and invoicing details. Make sure to have polished product photos. Then create a short outreach list of 3 sourcing channels: manufacturers, trade shows, online marketplaces, and schedule initial contact times. This lets you move from planning into immediate vendor conversations with clarity and credibility. You now shift to execution. Contact vendors with a concise outreach that states MOQ, lead time, price expectations, payment terms, and a sample request, so they respond with relevant data. Once responses arrive, request and inspect samples. Evaluate movement, finish, serials, and materials side by side. Make sure to check references and request trade referrals, and verify insurance and warranty policies before negotiating. This reduces surprises and gives you leverage when securing better terms. You finish by negotiating clear commercial terms. Aim for price breaks at volume tiers, a staged payment schedule, a fair returns policy, and any exclusivity clauses you need. Once agreed, set up contracts and service-level expectations, define logistics, drop shipping versus warehousing, and confirm the first order timeline. When the first shipment arrives, inspect everything immediately and document any defects. If issues occur, escalate with photos and timestamps, request credit or replacement, and make sure payment milestones reflect resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.